In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive Outlook emails and folders. If you want to keep your inbox clean without permanently deleting important messages, archiving in Outlook is a great option. It lets you move emails out of your main view while still keeping them available for reference later. This is especially useful when you've already dealt with a message but may still need it in the future. To get started, open Outlook and make sure you're in the main email area. Once Outlook is open, go to Mail so you can see your inbox and other email folders. This is the section where you'll manage the messages you want to clean up. Next, find the specific email you want to archive. Take a moment to review the message before moving it, especially if you're organizing a busy inbox. Archiving is helpful for messages that are no longer urgent or active, but still worth keeping. For example, this could include completed conversations, receipts, updates, or reference emails you may want later. When you've selected the email, right-click on it to open the context menu. In that menu, choose Archive. As soon as you do that, Outlook will move the selected message out of your inbox and place it into the archive folder. This helps reduce clutter while keeping your email accessible. If you're organizing a large number of messages, you can repeat the same process for other emails you want to remove from your inbox. Just select the message, right-click, and choose Archive. It's a quick method that can make your mailbox feel much more manageable. You can also use this same idea when working with folders, depending on your Outlook setup. The main goal is to move less active content out of your primary workspace so that the emails you need right now are easier to find. Keeping your inbox organized can save time and help you stay focused throughout the day. One helpful tip is to remember that archiving is different from deleting. Archived emails are still stored in Outlook, so you can open the archive folder later if you need to review or restore something. That makes this a safer choice for messages you don't want in your inbox but aren't ready to get rid of. And that's it. Once you know where to click, archiving emails in Outlook is a simple habit that can make a big difference in keeping your mailbox organized and easier to use.